how to make your sound professional in Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up the Capcut application on your device and then select the project. Now here you can see I've already added audio over here. I've recorded the voice. Now in order to make your voice and sound professional, what you can do is tap on the audio or the voiceover that you have added, and then here you can see different options of enhancing voice. So just tap on enhance the voice, and you can tap on enhance voice over here. This is the pro version, so the free application would not be allowed to give you or download this setting. However, if you have a pro version, then it would be fine.
Hello everyone.
So here you can just tap on enhance voice and noise cleanup over here. You can select the noise cleanup and drag it to 100 over here. After doing it, you can tap on the tick mark, which is at the upper side of the enhance voice option. So then what you can do is tap on the reduce noise option as well. So just swipe it. Then tap on audio effects, where you can make your voice add filters, have characters as well. So if you want to add the echo,
hello everyone,
and then you also can add the mic option and different other options that are available for you. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.